Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of mine. What I've done here, what I present is my latest make, which is a homemade air compressor. What I use for this compressor, actually it's a very classic make, it's not my design. It's a very classic one. You will find thousands of these makes in the internet. And it has this fire extinguisher as the main air tank, just a pressure valve here, a pressure switch here, a security pressure valve here, some connections, some fittings, some piping, and of course this air compressor, which comes from an old refrigerator. Let's see now how this thing works. Okay, so this will be my test setup. I have already plugged in the compressor into the power, and I will use this switch to start it on. I have this stopwatch to measure how much time it will take to go from 0 to 8 bar, and I have this this pressure gauge here to measure the pressure inside the tank. Okay, so I start the air, and then I will try to do this simultaneously, and you see now the pressure rising. It's already 1, 2 at 16 seconds, it's 3 at 25 seconds, and this works very well actually. 4 at 36 seconds, it's quite fast. 5 at 48 seconds. Well, 5 to 8 is the pressure that I need to operate my next project. 6 at 1 minute. My next project will be a pneumatic solder paste dispenser, and that's why I made this one. It's 7 at 1 minute and 12 seconds. Now it goes to 8, and the pressure switch should stop somewhere there. It's 8 at 1 minute and 25 seconds. I hope it will not, 9, okay, it's 9, the pressure switch stopped at 9, and at 1 minute and about 38 seconds. Now I will use this valve to reduce the pressure inside. We don't need this one anymore. Of course, the pressure switch stopped the motor, and now I will drop the pressure inside. When the pressure goes below 6, the motor should start again. It's 5.6, 5.7. Well, it works very nice. My next project will be the automatic solder paste dispenser. I have already everything that I need. All the pneumatic parts are here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. As always, you can find the complete documentation of how I made this compressor in my website. You can follow the link in the info of this video. Also, you can subscribe to my RSS feed to stay tuned, or you can like on Facebook and follow on Twitter. And as always, be creative.